Hey you guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Today is a crazy nice day and I'm headed up to a graduation party and I'm taking coastal back roads all the way. I'm starting my trip at the BFI, which is a popular and well-known local landmark. I don't think I need to explain to you why it's called the BFI or what that even stands for or whatever. This thing's been around since I was a kid. You can look this up, but do me a favor, don't do an image search of BFI because that will wreck your day. But in any case, like I said, I'm taking a coastal backroads ride up to a graduation party today. This route is actually one of my favorite routes of all time. It literally follows the coast up, and although you don't have ocean views 100% of the time, you do get some good ocean views here and there. Lots of people out today, lots of cool cars, lots of bikes, and speaking of cool cars, look at that. That's an awesome bug. I love those things so much. We got a nice little curve here. Yeah, I'm telling you, this is just gorgeous. A gorgeous road. A nice little sweeping curve here. Gonna lean into. Oh, and what do you know? I think yeah, there we go. Ocean view right there. See? I don't want to go off the road. I'm trying to look, but yeah. So this is what I'm talking about. So we got a little inlet there. Ooh, look at that. So many cool cars out, you guys. 25 here, but not for long. Nice sweeping curve here, which I love. Got a huge downhill here. I'm not sure how easy it is to see on video, but huge downhill. Some more evidence of the ocean not too far away from us. And here we have a split in the path, or what have you, fork in the road. And if you go right, then you can even get closer to the ocean. And there's some absolutely just crazy nice roads down there. But we have to go this way for our trip today. Another big downhill here into a slight right-hand turn. So to change subjects for a moment, for those of you who are interested, you've probably seen part 1 of the Dodge Viper repair. That's slowly coming along, but I can't help but be sad when I see these other cool cars, muscle cars, classic cars, whatever they might be, out on the road. So if you haven't seen that video, check it out. And by the way, awesome curves here. Of course, we've got multiple freaking obstacles with these riders and these cars. See, there we go. We got a Mustang there. Today, I've seen just so many awesome cars in a pretty short period of time. Mustangs, Camaros, Bugs. I've seen a bunch of Teslas. Saw Model X not too long ago. That was insane to see in person. I wish I'd gotten a picture. It was like seeing a spaceship with 4 wheels.
Looks like an airplane. Well, wait.
Big, long, sweeping turn. Boom, then you open up to this huge, awesome view. The ocean's right over there. You know, I've had a number of people say over my... Oh, there's another bug. You see that? That's cool. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's still cool. I like those things. But where was I? Oh, yes. I've had a few people say to me over the years of my riding career, so to speak, that they don't understand why anyone would have a motorcycle in Maine, or even New England for that matter. And my immediate response to those people is wanting to slap them across the face, because this, all this is why. Gross. I got dead bugs all over my visor. That's a freaking blind hill, so that's freaking scary. Ooh, what's that? That's cool. Cool old car. And this is a really crazy turn. Look how blind this turn is. And you're like a foot away from that bar and I can pretty much reach out and touch it. I've been on this road a few times before, but it's not often enough for me to know it super well, like I know a lot of my other roads. So even though it's like 45 or 50, I keep it on the slower end of things. Do I turn here? This guy almost pulled out in front of me. Nice long sweeping downward left turn. Ooh, and is that the ocean right there? Yes, it is. That is a gorgeous little ocean inlet. Yeah, look at that. That's one of the reasons I love this road and many of the other roads. Thought that was a piece of wood, so that would have been... It was just a box, which is much better than a piece of wood, but that was a little freaky. And here's one of my favorite spots of this ride is this freaking bridge. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Oh, there's a nest up there. An actual real nest. Can't tell if that's a cop car or not. So we're headed deeper into the ocean. We're basically surrounded by the ocean right now. I know you can't see it, but we're out on a very, relatively speaking, narrow peninsula. Look at this. Look at this. Man. Oh, I love it. And look at this on the right. Yep. There we go. Yep. That's why I ride in Maine. I thought that was a real deer. That freaked me out. Bird eating roadkill, which I think that truck just like ran over because I heard a gross pop. Anyways, yeah, see, 45 miles per hour. That is a nice pace on a road like this. Nice long sweeping turns. It's a fairly good clip. You see, that guy was completely crossing the line. That dude was crossing the line, and he kept crossing even as I went by him. I don't know what the is wrong with people. So I got a wedding or something. Oh, yay. Oh, so happy. Sorry, that was maybe a bit sarcastic. Nice straightaway here. Alright, so what's in the road here? Is it something alive? No, it's a bag that looks like it could be pretty sketchy because it's like just sitting straight up in the middle of the road. I think I'll leave that alone. Oh, what? Basketball court? Who gets to use that? I want to use it. That turns into dirt. So I think that's going to mark the end of our exploration. Ocean view over there. See in the distance? So that's that, you guys. I guess that concludes mission find out what's at the end of this road. Needless to say, this would also be a great road for the Viper. Hopefully we'll be able to do that once the Viper is fixed. Here's that freaking bag again. It looks very suspect, just sort of propped up in the near exact middle of the road. Hopefully that wasn't too anticlimactic or anything. I just wanted to explore the rest of this road because it's freaking awesome. Oh, one of my favorite signs. Alright, you guys, well, I think I'm gonna wrap it up. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you on the next one.